Today I am going to be starting the process of gutting my 330i. Now, I am preparing to do a full rear subframe reinforcement from Edge Motorworks in Fremont. They're known to be very familiar with SpecE46s, so I am very confident that they'll do a great job. Now, I don't think they actually require me to do any kind of removal of anything in the back, but in a couple more weeks, I'm going to be installing a roll cage from TC Design Fab. Now, in order to save a little bit of money on labor, I'm going to be gutting the interior as much as I possibly can, including the dash, but first I'm going to start with the rear of the car, so let's just kind of start that process now. I have a bunch of stuff in the trunk that I need to clear out of there. Then I'm kind of just gonna work back to front. Just take out all the tools and stuff that I have, and then take out the carpeting, take out the rear seats. Hopefully I'll catch everything on camera that I can. It'll be kind of a time-lapse video, so it's not gonna be like a super long, in-depth, detailed how-to or anything, but generally taking things apart, generally speaking, taking things apart is a lot less time consuming and less, you don't have to be as careful, especially if you're going to not be reinstalling these things. So hopefully I'll be able to actually get to, the door cards and pretty much everything back. I don't know where all the points are where the carpet is installed from or to, attached to the frame or the body. But it'll be a learning process for me. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Press that like button, please. It really helps me out. And leave a comment if you have any questions or comments. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll hope to see you guys out there. Here we go. All right, everybody. It has been a very long couple of days working on the interior, but it is finally done, and I am so happy. I'm very excited. Look how beautiful she is. All done. Just a couple lights I'll take out. I left them in so you guys can see. It is surprising how many little tiny things are in these cars that you have to take out. I left the carpet in because it is really tucked back in there and it is getting very late and I'm tired, so I'm just gonna have the shop do the rest. Thank you very much to Richard for helping me. So yeah, it looks pretty awesome. I'm pretty excited about it. And this thing is a piece of work. It's very annoying. But yeah, still have the gauge cluster zip tied with these fancy zip ties so I can drive home relatively safely. Yes, very secure, as you can see. And the light control module still needs to be on and plugged in, so the lights will turn on when I try to drive home at night without an airbag and minimal safety features. Still have a seatbelt, so that's good. Okay, see you guys soon. All right, here we go. Windows still work? Thank you very much for watching my videos. I really appreciate the support. Please subscribe, like, and share. It really helps me out to make better and better content. If you'd like to support me in my expensive car racing so I can continue creating these video blogs and share my experiences, I really appreciate that as well. I will include a Patreon link in the description if you'd like to donate. It will provide some kind of incentives for different levels of donating if you'd like, and I'm open to suggestions on how I can kind of give back to anybody who does donate to me. Thanks again. I hope to see you guys out there.